Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. We are doing another day in the life type video today. I am looking great, got my safe, can't be broken by dogs glasses on, and I have done none of the plans I was meant to do this morning. So I was supposed to go to the chemist, Kmart, and then go visit a friend and dye my hair. I dyed my hair and I did nothing else. So, killing it, doing a great job. I'm incredibly late, so I need to leave to go see my friend. We are doing a trial run of makeup for our engagement photos that another friend is taking next week. So that's what we're doing today. So I'm gonna look very pretty later. Ow. Wow, that's just how life is going today. I am filming on a new camera, or new old camera today, so apologies if the quality and everything is not 100%. I am figuring it out, and it is incredibly heavy and my arm is very, very sore. But I do need to leave, I need to do something about my hair, and we just got a whole lot of parcels arrive and I'm very excited. I don't know what you can see, because there's no flip out thing on this camera, so that's fun. But I received 4 parcels this morning and I'm very excited about these two. Very, very excited about this one in particular. And we got our Miele air purifier as well, which is cool, so I can compare this one to the Kmart ones. Gonna assume that this one's gonna be way better, but I do not have time to open all of these now. I need to leave and go see my friend. So I'm gonna figure out what to do with this situation, and my phone is ringing. It is all happening. Okay, let's get the day started. Okay, we are all done. I did not film in Jazz's house because you guys know how I am with like privacy and people I know in real life. And yeah, we're all finished. I'm feeling very pretty and very like beautified, aside from the fact that my hair is completely not styled and still wet, so it doesn't quite match up, but that's fine, it's okay. So I look like a little bit of a Looney Tune, but it's all right. We absolutely love everything that we did. We're very happy. Jazz is very happy. I'm happy. I love the lip color so much, so I'm gonna have to buy these, I reckon, because she is bang on about this being a perfect combination. Anyway, that's beside the point. We are going to do my tan tomorrow, so she's going to do my tan tomorrow, so it will be a bit darker, but we have the photos on Monday, so it's all coming together and we're very excited. So I now need to go to the chemist. I don't know if I want to go to Kmart or not still, because it's a bit of a drive to do both, although I could just go to one because there's a chemist near Kmart too. Maybe that's what we do. I don't know, but we need to hit the road, get these jobs done so I can go home and open those parcels, because I'm very excited to open those parcels up. So let's do it. All right, I'm still in the car. Well, no, I'm back in the car again. So this video is probably gonna be really boring. It's just my face the whole time. But anyway, I remembered why I wanted to go to that specific place, to the chemist, because I needed to get my nails done. So I have gotten my nails done. Not super fond of them, but it's fine. They're refreshed and nice and better, and they will look good for the photos when Monday comes around. And I'm not going to go to Kmart now because it will take me like 45 minutes to get there, and it's nearly like school pickup time, and I don't want to be driving around during school traffic. So I'm going to head home now and we're going to open the parcels. I'm very keen. I did get a couple of extra bits and pieces from Chemist Warehouse, so I grabbed my 2 scripts that I needed to pick up, and I also grabbed my 2 moisturizers. I have been out of this one for like months and I keep forgetting to repurchase it, so I got this one and I am nearly out of this one. It's about to run out, so I just use the CeraVe moisturizers. There's an AM one and a PM one. The AM one has SPF in it. Don't know if there's any other difference, but anyway, that's all I use. I just use this and a face wash thing and SPF on top of this one, because SPF, important. Anyway, so topped up on those, got my 2 scripts, and that's it. And now we're going to rush home so we can stay away from all of the school traffic. This setup is hilarious. I need to show you this setup. I can't see behind this camera, so this is what I'm looking at. I'm using the mirror to make sure that I'm slightly in frame, but I'm not wearing glasses, so I can't really tell. I can just see the little recording light. So yeah, this is what we're working with. And I have 2 pop-holes right here on their bed, being very good. But anyway, let's do this. So I am gonna open these 2. This one I'm gonna do like a whole video on, so I'm not gonna open that today, and this one is for Evan, so they are not relevant. These 2, however, we can open. I am very excited about this Amazon one. I have been wanting to find something like this for a little while now because I am now taking much more medication than I used to. So this is a pill case. I have no idea if this is in focus also, is my other, that was really good English. That is my other concern. Kai was just having a very good sniff. But this is a pill case that is not hideous for all the medication that I'm on lately. So if I take this out and open it up, ooh, she's cute. It's kind of like a wallet, but for drugs. So it looks like this. If when I'm editing this back, none of this is like clear enough for you to actually see, I will put in the photos from Amazon for this. But it basically has just a little pill like dispenser thingy that sits in here. So it has Monday through to Sunday, and then there's also an extra, so there's 8. And then it is pretty much a wallet, so it's got card slots down here, which I don't think I'll be putting cards in here, but anyway, it's just a nice little compact thing that I can have on my bedside table that is not hideous and is not prescription boxes. So I can have all the prescription boxes up safely in the cupboard or the drawers that we keep our medication in, and then this feels a lot safer to me. Like the dogs can't get to the box, they don't touch stuff anyway, so I don't think they would ever get to the box, but this is cool. And Kai also has medication and he does have a pill box, and it's so easy just like flipping open the tab for that day and being done with it. So I'm very excited for this. So all of the stuff that I picked up at the chemist today can go in here. I will also leave the link down below to this one. My Amazon links are affiliate links, so I do make a tiny commission if you use my links to buy something from Amazon, which is amazing and really supports me. So if you do, thank you very much. Obviously there is no pressure to actually use that link though. You can very easily just search pill organizer in Amazon and it will come up if you would prefer not to use the affiliate links. But if you would like to use them, I would love you very much. I still haven't actually made any money from YouTube yet, but every cent counts. So yeah, that is this, and I'm really excited. It's just really sweet. Plain, simple, black. The writing on the front is just little gold, like pretty italic writing. So that's this one. I think it was like, hang on, I can check how much it was. 1 second. $27.95. So much more expensive than the ones at the chemist, but much prettier, and I just really love it. So, all right, next is a dress from Showpo. Did I mention? Yes, because I got my makeup done. So we're getting our engagement photos taken next week from one of my most amazing friends in the world, and that was directly to her. I know she watches these. Hi, Shan. So I grabbed a dress. That is the wrong side. It is a white dress, which is very appropriate and bridal of me. I will put the photo from the website up as well, because obviously you just sorry, this is gonna be very loud, so I will put the photo from the website up as well so that you can see, because just showing material like this often doesn't really work that well. But it's very, very cute. I'm not sure if it's gonna be too short. That is my only concern. But it is absolutely gorgeous. It has these wonderful little sleeves and just really lovely patterning. And it's just a little cute little dress. So yeah, I need to try this on, make sure it actually fits, make sure I like it. I do still have the weekend to find something else. If I don't like it, it does have quite a lot of like threads. I don't know if you can see, but threads coming off, so that's a bit disappointing. But it wasn't super expensive. I got this one in a size 14 in the hopes that there might be a smidge more length to a 14, and also I'm a little bit chunky right now, so that's what I did. And it doesn't have the price on here, but I think it was about $80. So dress. I will try this on, and if I like it, I will have some footage of me trying it on. And that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I know this was a bit of a weird one. There wasn't too much footage of actual stuff happening. It's just a lot of me talking. So if you've made it this far, thank you so much for listening to me talk. And yeah, I am not doing much for the rest of the day. I will be preparing my body, to be fake tanned tomorrow, so I need to like shave my legs and stuff. So that's not vlog worthy content. So that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for joining me again. I am very sorry that I've been so absent lately. I don't think I even mentioned this in the beginning of the video, so I don't know why I'm saying again, but very sorry I've been so absent lately. I have a lot going on mentally. So it's been a very rough month, but I am finally feeling a little bit motivated and jumping back into filming, and we have a few exciting things going on outside of all of my stressful stuff, so that is keeping me going right now. And with that super positive talk, I will leave you to it. I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.